Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to English online class. So students, in today's class we are going to learn some more sounds of alphabets. So let's get started. Which alphabet is this, students? R. R says Ra. R says Ra. What is the sound of R? Ra. Now, which alphabet is this? S. S says Sa. S says Sa. What is the sound of S? Sa. Sa. Now, which letter is this? T. T says Ta. T says Ta. What is the sound of T? Ta. Now, which letter is this? U. U says, what does U says? Ah. U says Ah. U says Ah. Now, which letter is this? V. V says Va. V says Va. Now, which alphabet is this? W. W says Va. W says Va. W says Va. Very good. Now, which letter is this? X. X says S. X says S. Now, which letter is this, students? Y. Y says Ya. What does Y says? Ya. Now, which alphabet is this? Z. And what is the sound of Z? Za. Z says Za. Z says Za. Very good. Now, listen and repeat. R says Ra. R says Ra. S says Sa. T says Ta. U says A. V says Va. W says Va. X says S. X says S. Y says Ya. Y says Ya. Z says Za. Now what you all have to do is you all have to learn these sounds of alphabets. You have to revise these sounds again and again so that you can learn how to pronounce these sounds. Bye-bye.